Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to reply with a location to a thread in X. Adding a location to your replies can enhance the context and provide valuable information to the discussion. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replying with a location. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Go to the post that you want to reply to. Browse through the threads and locate the post where you'd like to add a location. Step 3. To reply to the thread, tap on the comment icon, usually represented by a speech bubble. This action will open up the comment section or the reply box. Step 4. Type in your reply in the provided text input area. Share your thoughts, insights, or a message related to the thread. Once you've composed your text reply, it's time to add a location. Step 5. Tap on the location icon located in the input bar. This action will open up the location selection interface, where you can choose a location to attach to your reply. Step 6. Select the desired location from the available options. You can search for specific places or browse through suggested locations. Step 7. Once you've chosen the location, tap on Reply to submit your reply with the attached location. Your response, enriched with a location, will now be visible to other users participating in the thread. By following these simple steps, you can easily provide context to your replies in X by adding a location. This feature can be especially useful when discussing events, places, or recommendations within the X community. Engaging with locations and threads allows you to share relevant information and create a more immersive and localized conversation. Thank you for watching, and happy location replying.